We're back for another Math at Home. Last time we talked about plane shapes or flat shapes or two-dimensional shapes. We're going to continue that talk. Last time we did three shapes. We did the square, four sides, four vertices. All four sides are equal. We did triangles, which is three sides and three vertices. And we did rectangles, which is four sides, four vertices, but two of the sides are long or longer, and two of the sides are short or shorter. Today we're going to talk about two more shapes. One of the shapes we see all the time. The other shape, not so much. You're going to find it in a few places, but not see it too much. So we're going to start off with the easiest one. This is going to be the circle. It's flat, two-dimensional. It has a length and a width, but it doesn't have a height. It doesn't get into three-dimensional. Circles have no sides. What they have is a continuous edge. It's made from a curved line, or maybe better known as an arc. So a circle is made of an arc that continues, and it has no start and it has no end. It's just round and round we go. So that's a circle. The other shape we're going to talk about is the one that we don't see quite as often. We do see it though. It's a hexagon. Okay? Hex, like try in triangle, hex means something. Hex means 6. So this hexagon has 6 sides, 6 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also has 6 vertices. Okay, remember a vertex or vertices are also called a corner. It's just where two lines meet. So here's a vertex right here. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hexagon often gets confused with an octagon. Octagon. Oct means 8, like in octopus. It has 8 legs or 8 tentacles that are coming out. So a lot of people see this and they go, oh, that's an octagon. No, an octagon would have another straight side sort of right here where these would come out. Octagon is the stop sign, okay? Hexagon, you're going to see this in a few places. One of the most commonly places we see it is in a hex nut. So when you have a bolt and a nut and you're putting them together, look at that nut next time. That nut is probably a hexagon. Out in nature, where are you going to see a hexagon? You're probably not going to see it because you're probably going to run away. But it's inside a beehive. The little sections that each of the little baby bees are placed inside of and sealed up is a hexagon. It's pretty cool. So looking at this hexagon, just like I did with the square and the triangle and the rectangle, if you turn it, does it change into a different shape? No, it's still a hexagon. Okay? It doesn't matter as you turn it. Now the circle, if you turn it, you can't even tell. It just keeps going. It's a continuous arc. No beginning, no end. So let's take a look at size. Does size matter? Nope, size doesn't matter. Big, medium, small, 6 sides, 6 vertices. It's a hexagon. Circles, big, medium, small, doesn't matter. They continue going around and around. Okay? Let's go ahead and play a little bit with it. I've got my picture I made last time. Let's get it out again and let's add a little more detail to it. See you guys at the picture. Okay, so here's the picture that I made last time. Let's review real quick. What shape is the whole paper? Yeah, it's a rectangle. 2 long sides, 2 shorter sides, 4 vertices. What about the roof of the house? Triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 vertices. How about those windows and the frame of the house? Square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. And all 4 sides are equal. They're the same. Come over here and look at the door. Look at the trunk of the tree. It's a rectangle. Has 4 sides, 4 vertices, but 2 sides are longer and 2 sides are shorter. Okay? Even up there at the top of the tree then, I forgot to talk about those, that's a triangle again. It's harder to see here when they're stuck together, but that's 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. So let's go ahead and add some more detail to this picture using my other 2 shapes, a circle and hexagon. Let's have some fun. So remember, whenever you're trying to do something like this, you don't want to use your glue first. You want to place things where you want them and then come back and put the glue in. So I thought that circle would be really cool as a sun up there in the sky. Then I was thinking, well, what could I do with the smaller circles? Well, I thought I'd make some coconuts in the tree, and it could be a coconut tree. Okay, so we got some coconuts in the tree. Now, like I said with these hexagons, you know, we don't really see it a lot. The hexagons you do see in nature, I said in the beehives, are inside the beehive. It's not the shape of the beehive, but the doorways inside. Okay, so I was thinking, well, why couldn't I use these as a big boulder? You know, something to climb on, and then maybe some little rocks next to the boulder to climb up onto so you can climb on up. Grab a coconut. So I'm going to get my glue out. I'm going to get these put into place. I have an amazing picture, I think, now. I hope you guys are having fun with shapes, making some pictures. You can also, I'd love for you guys to ask Mom and Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, can you show me a hex nut? Mr. McConnell says there's a hex nut. Look around. Wherever you're going to see a bolt with a nut on the end, it's probably going to be a hex nut. As well as circles, hey, go on a circle scavenger hunt. You're going to find circles all over the place. Thanks, guys. Bye.